Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and this is Simple Tech 100 guys. So guys, in today's video we want to look at how to make a powerful inverter, a 40-watt inverter guys. So follow up guys and see how we build this. As you can see, we have the ferrite core as our transformer, we have our driver and the battery guys. So follow up guys and see how we build this. Thank you. So guys, as you can see, this is our circuit driver. This is a n-channel MOSFET and 360 ohms resistor guys. So as you can see, this is our circuit, inverter circuit, and this wire came from the drain, and the second wire also came from the drain, and we connected it here like this. And here is our positive for the battery, and here is our output coil. As you can see, this is the output wire. As you can see guys, so we are using this bulb. As you can see, 40 watts. So this is our bulb guys, and here's a switch. So let's connect our battery here. This is the negative and here is the positive. So guys, here is our 12-volt battery, and we are putting it here. Guys, I want to add a switch to it. As you can see, this is negative from the battery and negative of the MOSFET. So I want to put a switch to it guys, like this. I want us to add a switch to it so that we can turn it on and off anytime. So as you can see guys, I've connected the negative of the battery to the switch and to the negative of this MOSFET, and this is the positive from the battery, and this is the positive of the transformer, ferrite core transformer. So we are going to put it here guys. So we have turned it off, we have not turned it. So this is the positive that came from the battery, and this is 3.7 volt battery, 2 parallel. Then we series it, so making 12 volt guys. And this is our output. As you can see, 40 watts. This is a 40 watts bulb, and this is a switch. This is the output wire, as you can see guys. So this is our switch here guys. So let's test it now guys. So guys, we want to test our project now. So this is our switch. I've on it here, then let me turn it on here. As you can see guys, so if I off it here, and I will still off it here guys. So if I on it, yeah, As you can see guys, our project is working. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video guys. Thank you.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want.
So guys, our project is working. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.